everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We are in the season of mangoes and the best way to enjoy them is trying different recipes with those delicious sweet ripe mangoes. Today I'm going to share a wonderful drink recipe which is perfect for the summer. We're going to make this delicious mango sharbat. Let's get started and check it out. So I'm just going to soak 1 teaspoon of Sabja seeds or the basil seeds. First I'm going to blend a cup of mango pieces along with some milk. To the blender, add 1 cup of nice ripe sweet mango pieces. Adding about 1.5 cups of milk. So we're just pouring the milk to blend the mango pieces. You can see the pieces are well blended along with the milk. Now we're going to make the actual drink. To a nice large bowl, I'm adding the blended mixture. So I'm just going to dilute it by adding the remaining milk. For sweetness, I'm adding 200 grams of condensed milk. To give the drink a nice rich color, I've soaked a few strands of saffron in warm water. I'm just going to add that next. So next I'm adding a few ice cubes. Along with this, I'm going to add the soaked Sabja seeds. Mix everything well till it's all well combined. You can adjust the sweetness according to your taste and the sweetness of the mangoes. Well, if summer had a flavor, this is it. If you agree, comment summer in a glass. To make the drink more tasty, I'm adding half cup of chopped mango pieces. I'm also adding a few pomegranate seeds. And I'm finishing off by adding a few sliced pistachios and a few sliced almonds. Gently mix everything and you can see our beautiful summer special mango sharbat is ready to be enjoyed. You can serve this nice and chilled. It's a perfect summer special. Now that we are in this mango season, make the most of it and enjoy this beautiful drink. This is so cool and refreshing. This is something that everybody will absolutely enjoy. What better way to beat this burning heat than enjoy this refreshing, cool mango sharbat. Wow, it's just wow, pure bliss. Well, rather than say summer in a glass, I would say heaven in a glass. Don't keep the recipe to yourself. Make sure to share it with your family and friends and enjoy the summer. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.